Al Roker, he's tracking that storm. And Al, again, we just got that new advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Walk us through what we know right now.
Okay, so what we know right now, Craig, is that the good news is storm surge may not be as threatening as we thought. However, as you mentioned, that rainfall is going to be catastrophic. Here's the latest. Right now, it's a Category 1 storm, 110 miles south of Mobile, Alabama, with 85-mile-per-hour winds. It's moving northwest at 2 miles per hour, Craig. We can walk faster than that, and we are checking, but right now it looks like that 2 mile per hour forward speed would set a new record for a slowest moving hurricane at this point. And you can also notice that pink underneath the radar, those are tornado watches stretching from the Alabama coastline into the Florida Panhandle. Now, here's what we look at as far as the path. It starts now, it's starting to make its northern turn. Heavy rain, strong winds already moving along shore, especially into Alabama, parts of Mississippi, and the Panhandle. Sally's going to stay over these warm Gulf waters. Doesn't look like it's going to intensify. Yesterday, it did go up to a 2 for a little while, but is back down. Now, tomorrow morning, landfall, probably early Wednesday morning. Torrential rain continues along the coast. Then Thursday into Friday, this thing moves up into Georgia and the Carolinas, weakening into a depression, but still causing a lot of rain.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.